Hello friends, welcome to the VIV community. This community is for the price action traders. Either they are new into the market or they have experience. So we have developed this system which is totally based on the price action and the volume footprints, as well as that it follows the trend stages. If you see that, you will see a table here, then these plus signs and these backgrounds, everything has a meaning of it. The plus signs tell us the there is a there was a day or a week or a hour where something important has happened, that is institutional activity where they are leaving their footprints, which helps us to understand the total price action. If you see this stock, the EPAC, today what is happening, the whole Indian market is falling, but this stock is performing. If you see, our system is giving a positive signal. What are the positive signals? You can see a lot of plus signs here. It tells us that there is an institutional activity here. Some buying is happening in this stock by the big players, by the big money. And in this weak market, if this stock is going up and our background is also telling that there is a positive trend in this stock, also the RS, the relative strength, which is comparing the Nifty mid cap small cap 400, it is also showing that this stock is great. It has a good relative strength. Okay, also if you see here, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, which tells us that the trend of this stock is good for long term. It's not that trendy, but medium term to short term. Stage 3 is short term, stage 2 is medium term, and stage 1 is long term. So medium term and long term, this stock is positive. Also, this system tells us that what is the price, what is the difference between the moving average and the price. Like it is showing that the price and 10-day moving average has almost 7% of the difference, and price is away from 10 days moving average 7%. This helps us to avoid the overextended stocks. We will also help you in the community and explain how much, if the difference is there, we should not buy, or if the so much of difference increases, if the difference increases like 20-25%, then we should plan to sell. That we will also guide you in the community. But let's focus today on this indicator itself. So this tells us that all the moving averages are rising, and the difference, which tells us that the stock is in a good shape. Also, this system tells us that the where are the important footprints. If you see, in the past there was this plus sign, means important footprint. You can see that the stock was rejected from this price also. That means this footprint has worked as a resistance, and right now also stock is struggling a bit to cross this level. So this gives us the ability to enter at the right prices, right? If you are a breakout trader, then you can enter here and put your stop loss little underneath this candle, so that if breakout fails, you can have some margin of safety. Okay, so these are the, then the uh, dark background is telling us the trend is positive. Like if you see in the past also, see, you can see here there was a volume footprints here, means institutional footprints were there. You can see stock came down, shake out, and after that it performed really well. And whenever the background is gone, you can see that the stock's trend also gets negative. Like you can see that this was a volume footprint. Once the price broke this level and the background also was also gone, you can see this stock went. So as a swing trader or positional trader, this system will help you to take timely decisions, and also basically purely on price action, nothing else. Okay, so if you also in this system, you can, this will help you to, like, I can show you this stock. You can see here it has auto drawn the levels, the important latest important levels. You can see VIV high, VIV low. This has automatically created, and you can see how price has reacted near these levels. You can see here it got rejection, then it got support, then rejection, then support, rejection, support, and now at this level itself it is taking support. And this can be managed within the settings also. You can, if you want to remove the background of between the lines, you can remove the background. If you want to remove the uh, viv lines also, you can remove it. Okay, if you want to show this viv level also, you can activate here and it will show you this viv level, that this day institution activity was there, and you know something important has happened, right? So then you can do. Then this system also allows you to compare the stock with any index like Nifty. If I choose it here, Nifty, then you can see it has changed the name here, Nifty, and now it is saying that stock, earlier stock was great, it has a great strength, but now it has become good. Means little bit of strength has gone down because of the market environment, overall environment. It is showing that. Okay, so you can do that. You can also, if you want to show the symbol with which you are comparing, you can do that. Otherwise, if you don't want to show the symbol, then you can just uncheck this and it will just convert into the relative strength. Rest everything will be same. Also, it will allow you to change the table. Either you want to show or not, you can top right. If you want this table to be visible on the top right, then it will go to the top right, whatever you want, right? It has the ability to change. You can change the text size, text align, this, everything. Then you can also control what you want to show, like stage 1, stage 2, everything which is visible here, it will be controlled by this. Then you can also show the pivot points, like these are the pivot points. Either you want, if you uncheck, these pivot points will be gone, but if you check it, it will be visible for. Then also you can, if you don't want to show the backgrounds or intraday or daily chart, you can uncheck it, the background will be gone. You can also change the background if you want, means the color of the background, it will also be managed from here. So everything can be managed within the indicator, the settings. Okay, the levels, the everything, Means totally price action based. This is a price action based concept. You can also change the color of this VIV lines, the marks, like if you want to show the red, see, this will change the red color. The marks can also be changed from here. And then if you want to show the 10-day moving average, 20-day, then you can also show, you can control from here. Also you can set the plus signs, whatever the plus sign you want to show. Like if you want to, instead of, you want to show something else, then you can do that. See, that has changed. Okay, so there, this, you can do a lot with the settings. Also it will helps you to see the price tightness. You can see this candle has few days where price was very tight. Neither price broke high of this candle, neither the low. So it, the color automatically changed whenever this will happen. You can see this. Okay, so you can, if you want to use this price tightness concept, if you use in your trading and all that, VCP and all that, this can also help. Okay, so this is a overall a system where you can manage all of the things. Also this is where you can see the volume presence, the volume of last 5 days, how much volume was generated, or how much price volume was generated. You can change it to 20 days also. It will automatically start showing 20 days data. If you change it to 50 days, it will start automatically start showing 50 days data. Also if you want to change it to Indian rupees to the USD, it will automatically convert into the Indian rupees, that how much price volume is generated, means how much money was transferred within last 5 days in this stock. So you can do that. Then you can show hide, if you don't want to show the stage 1, stage 2, anything, you can do that. Also this one other feature, it has gray to good, means it is telling that last day or last week or last hour, if trend has changed, then it will show you here. Like if you see here in this stock, it is telling that both weak to great. It means earlier index with which we are comparing was also weak and the stock was also weak, but now index is weak but stock has become great. You can see the market, Indian market is falling, but this GSFC is performing almost 6%, almost 7% is gone. Our background is positive. Our, it has automatically detected the importance, important level. Today is an important level, means something important is happening today in this stock. So automatically you can see the VIV zone has started to come. So you can use this. Then please ignore the bottom, these things. These are just not part of the VIV. VIV is a system, price based system, volume and price only. Okay, so this will also tell you that something is changing. Also I can show you automatically it draws important zones. You can see it drew the important zone on weekly chart. I can show you that this is automatic, because if I remove show wave lines, you will see it is gone. Okay, so this is automatic. It is auto generating or auto calculating the most important levels on the chart, and you can see how beautifully the price got rejected from the low of the VIV zone. You can see that, right? And now this stock is telling it that both were weak, the index and the stock was weak, but now the stock is more weaker than the index, means it has gone to the poor. So you can see, this auto calculates everything. And then the most important thing is the plus signs. The plus sign meaning is the plus sign meaning is these are the most important zones. If you see the, if I draw this, where the important zone is, you can see how price has reacted. This is not a pivot. Pivot was here, but why price was rejected here? It got rejected because in on this day some important institutional activity happened, and now this level is working as a strong resistance level. You can see how much time it tried to break it, but it failed. Okay, so these are the footprints which are very important after years of study, the technical analysis and all that. I have understood the price action, that okay, what happens, why this is happening, what is the psychology behind it, what is the logic behind it, the price movement. Then we have created this system, right? I hope this system will help you. If you don't know, you are new, just try it for a 1 month membership. Then join our community where we will help you, we will guide you, whatever the question you have related the system or the price action. Time to time we will give you information, as well as we will help you. Also we will increase our knowledge base so that everyone can be beneficial. Looking forward for uh, many traders to join our community. I am sure this will help you a lot. Thank you.